Welcome back to the Porsche 912 restoration project. In this video we will start to dismantle the car. We will see how to take out the interior, we will take out the seats, the carpets, the door panels and the dashboard. And then more videos will follow with the whole dismantle part of everything. The plan is to now start first with just some time lapse and quickly run through the removal of the parts. And in the future I will go more into detail how to rebuild the parts, how to refurbish them, or if I have to replace the parts, explain more about the technical terms. For now we'll just run through taking everything apart. I have to also speed up the process a little bit because the goal is to get the chassis out of the garage by the end of November this year, because we want to start with the paint removal process, rust removal, and then replacing body pans and everything that's needed for that. I will definitely go more in detail there, but for now, enjoy the first videos. Now you can see the two speakers that have been built into the car. Something I had mentioned already in the beginning, something I was aware when I purchased the car, but it's really not very cool. It appears that someone has cut these speaker holes into the outside wall of the chassis. So one part of the speaker is in the room and in the car, and one part of the speaker actually is in the fender on the outside, constantly being in touch with water. And now we're taking everything out in detail, and I'm really lucky and happy that I can see that there's no rust whatsoever on these parts, because I really expected that to be a weak spot. Of course we will close these openings for the speakers and put it back to an original condition. But yeah, really happy that there is no rust here and we can just close them. So my second day is almost going to an end. I did a real good progress today. I could take out almost all the interior, the carpets and the damping mats and everything. And now I'm gonna finish some of this black tar that's on the ground that is really hard to get out, and then I'll call it a day.
thanks for listening in. This was my second day, which I will wrap up now. I was able to almost remove the whole carpet and the rear seats. I'm still missing to remove them because I don't know how to. I'll find out, but maybe also if you have an idea, please comment below. And yeah, let's see what I'm finishing on the third day, and then I hope I can start already on the dashboard, and the interior is soon to be gone. Bye bye.